Summer this year was a stark contrast to last year. It was very long and dry, with many plants, trees and flowers struggling through lack of water. On the other hand, it presented lots of occasions to go out for warm summer walks, which was such a blessing in the midst of all the moving. We can often have seasons in our lives that seem to be dry and barren, but actually it doesn't take much for them to recover and to be restored again. Just some rain, just some small adjustments that make a big difference over time. We heard some time ago that our rented house was going on the market and had been praying for a favourable outcome. Some weeks later, thankfully somebody called round and offered us a house nearby, which they were putting up for rent, so that was a timely answer. The last few weeks have been filled with packing, decorating and moving load by load to the new house. It's been the first time for a very long time that I haven't used a removal firm, but as it's such a short distance from where we are, we thought we'd do it ourselves. I think this is about the 24th or 25th move that I've made since my teens, so I am kind of used to sorting, packing, labelling and unpacking when it gets to the other end. However, with moving ourselves this time, we tended just to throw in everything in the mix in the box and not even do the boxes up and not label them, which is fine, but when you get to the other end it makes things a lot more tricky. I'm so thankful, however, that we had a lot of extra help from my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law, and from a couple of other friends who were such a blessing as well. As you can imagine, the new house is now full of stuff that needs a home and hasn't found one yet. It can be a tad overwhelming, shall we say. I still have the studio situation to sort out, and I'm not really sure what's happening with that at the moment. Hence, I've been quite quiet on social media. Despite all the upheaval, maybe because of it, I made time to visit a couple of places locally to get away from it all. Appledram Roses, which is a quaint place to visit for a coffee and a meander around the beautiful roses and quirky bits and pieces. I also visited a local sunflower field and one further away, which was absolutely stunning. You will see it near the end of the video. I was questioning if I should go because of the time restraints, but I'm so glad that I just dropped everything and went. I just needed that time and space. So sit back and enjoy the vlog and the beautiful English countryside. Thank you so much for watching. You can visit my website lindavineart.co.uk, where you'll find seascapes, landscapes, snowy scenes for Christmas in the form of paintings, prints and cards. Have a great week. I'll see you next time.